NBD Bank online account opening. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can open your NBD bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to open your Emirates NBD bank account online, all you have to do is go to emiratesnbd.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Now remember that I'm talking about creating a new bank account and not only sign up for online banking. And in order to do this, after you come to the website, tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen here, and then you will see this type of interface where you can see the option called standard current account. So if you want to select standard current account, you can of course select that because that's the type of account we want to create. Over here there will be different types of accounts that are available for you depending upon the type of account that you want. You can see mobile banking, and you can see the apply option and so on. So what you might want to do is just scroll and look for the apply now option over here. So right here under this you'll find apply now option. Depending upon the type of banking application you want, you can just tap on the apply now option, and once you have done that, you'll be able to ask to enter your full name, your email address, as well as your mobile number. And now remember that all of this should be according to your legal details, because if you don't have a legal details available, you will not be able to go ahead and then create an online account for this case. So once you have done that, it will ask you for some other questions to upload your documents such as your passport size photo, your legal ID card, and something like that. And after that, if the bank approves it, your account will get successfully created without going to the bank. And this way you'll be able to actually open an account of NBD Bank online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.